the Sony WH-1000XM4 headset. One of the most powerful headset out there in the market, and I want to know why. If you want to know why, just stay tuned for this video and I will unbox this. Looking at the features of this, at the bottom here it says 360 reality audio, has Google Assist, Alexa built-in, high resolution audio wireless, 30 hours of battery life, and of course it's also Bluetooth. It says wireless, it has noise cancellation, and this particular model is in the midnight blue. I like midnight blue. There was a black color, but I wanted to be a bit different, so I went for the midnight blue. Now on the back here, there's too much information for my liking. I'm not going to read all this, but if you guys ever read all this, just let us know what it says. I like talking about the quality of the box. Now this quality of the box is really nice. If you slide your hand against it, it's very smooth and it feels very quality. It's one of those boxes where you ain't going to throw them away. And you're going to use the headphones, but you definitely won't be throwing this away. And it's really cool the way it's designed as well. It doesn't open up like other ones from down here or anything, but this one slides out the side. So now I'm going to unbox this to show you guys what you get inside. All you do is simply just slide it across like this, and I'm going to carefully put this to the side, and straight away you're presented with this here, which is a easy setup. And then when you open it, this is the headset. In terms of what else you get in here, there's a manual book, which is quite large. I was thinking why the box was so heavy. I'm glad now it's the manual book and not the headset itself. This manual book is really big. I'm not going to be reading it. So if I just put it back in there, put this to the side. So here you have obviously the carry case, which is also in a midnight blue color. It's a very nice fabric, feels very soft to touch. At the back here you got a bit of mesh, so you can, it's actually a pocket, so you can put something in there. Not exactly sure what you would put in there, but it's part of the design. It looks really cool. Here you have a bit of a strap, and then you have the zip. So if you open the zip goes all the way around, and even the design here is very, very neat. It's not very common that you see design like this on zips, where it's actually covered the teeth, but it makes it look really nice. The zip itself is like a light goldish color, and it says Sony on it. I've noticed it doesn't say Sony anywhere on the box, but let's open it. Now in here you get a couple of things, so let's have a look at the accessories first. You get a 3.5mm jack to a 3.5mm jack, so you can always connect it to any old devices that you have, so you can use it on that. Also you have this extra adapter in here, so this would go in there, and then I know some older devices, they take two connections like this, and then you can just put it into there and you can use it on older devices. So this is probably something a lot of people won't be using. And then here you get the charger for the headset. It's a USB-A to a USB-C. It's a very small wire. I'm not a big fan of this, but it's very common that you get this size wires in headsets. I've seen it in a lot of headsets. So here's the headset itself, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The midnight blue looks really cool, looks really nice. And the way Sony is written here and in the style that is written in, it really adds to the beauty of the headset. Let's just talk about the quality. It is very, very smooth on all sides. It is very, very light. And even up here, the padding is very soft to touch. The padding here is very soft to touch also. And if you just look around the headset, see what we can see. Here we have the power button, and next to it there's a little, I'm assuming that will be the light. So when it's on, that will light up. Here you have the port for the 3.5mm jack. Here you have a button for custom. Not sure what the custom button is for. And on the other side you have the USB-C hole. This is for charging, and then there's nothing else around. And I've noticed you have this here, and you also have it on that side. I think that is for the noise cancellation. It's probably the technology that is used requires this, and it'll give you a better experience. And on the inside, both are plain. There's nothing here. There's nothing on this side also, apart from right in here you have something which I'm not sure what it is, but if anybody knows, just put it in the comment section, let me know what that is. Probably does contribute towards the noise cancellation for the headset. In terms of the size, you can extend them from both sides, which is very common on every headphone. But this headphone, compared to the ones I've seen before, feels a lot more smoother. It's also very light. So let's just switch this on. I'm assuming I'll have to just hold this button. Let's see if it does anything. Yep, blue light starts flashing. I think it's looking for a device to pair with. So I'm just gonna quickly pair this to a device and see what it's like. I've just very easily connected these to my phone, and I'm sat in my room and I can hear traffic going outside, but as soon as I put these headset on, I'm not even joking, it's like there's no traffic outside at all. The noise cancellation on this is amazing, and even when I speak myself and I have these on, I can't really hear myself. But the best way to test these would be on YouTube with a Dolby Atmos video. And on this video here, it tests the Dolby Atmos for any device that you connect at that time when you're listening through, whether they be your soundbar or they be the headphones. Now I'm going to test these and I'll let you know how the experience is. I've just tested these and these are absolutely amazing. The Dolby Atmos, now the way that works is it sends out signals from different sides. When I had these on, I could hear the noise from each and every side, and even when the noise was going around, it's as though the noise was going around my head and coming back from the other side. These headsets are absolutely amazing. They cost over £200 and I can see why they are one of the most powerful and best headphones out there at the moment. You have other headsets out there like the new Apple headset. I was in town yesterday and I was in the Apple store and I actually tested them out, but they cost £550. Now the price gap wouldn't push me towards the Apple headset. So these one, in terms of the price, I would say are probably better. There's probably features on that which people would use and say that is better, but for me, for my daily use, I think these are a lot better. So there you have it guys, that was the unboxing of the Sony headset. If you're asking my recommendation, I would highly recommend these. These are the best headset I've ever had. These are the best looking, these are the best performing, and price wise, it's £250. Might not be in everyone's budget, but they're definitely worth it.